We got a special one today. We are on the Upper East Side, an absolute unbelievable unit that can be completely customized to exactly what you want. So we're gonna walk into the living/dining space. You have a wall on the kitchen side, which is on the kitchen. On the other side, that could be knocked out. You have a wall over here, that could be knocked out. What's nice about this is you literally have an entire floor plan that goes from one end to the other, east to west. And the nice thing about the east to west is that when you have that and you have all these walls, you could bring in an architect and essentially lay it out the way that you want. So you have the foyer over here. A lot of people have actually banged this out, made this a walk-in closet for the bedroom. Gigantic bedroom, easily fit a queen-size bed here. Everything is quiet, everything's tucked away. Beautiful views up over here, completely open. Ensuite bathroom over here. Nice closet over there. Again, the wall could come out, make it a little bit larger, whatever you'd like. Walk down the other wing that we have going on here. Another bathroom. This is going to be for all of your guests, full bathroom. And tucked away over here is another bedroom, gigantic bedroom. You can hear the echoing on how large it is. Easily fit a king-size bed here. Have a dresser over there. Build out the closet on one side. Build out the closet on the other side. You have HVAC units in every single bedroom, which is great. And what's nice about this is that everything is separate. So we're gonna walk through the kitchen that can be opened up, and other units have opened it up, which is nice. And they've actually turned it into a second bedroom, which is even better. So this whole area that you're actually walking in is the second bedroom. This is a wall of windows. There is only one light on. Everything else is essentially just an overcast day, and it shows how bright it actually is. And obviously, the best thing about New York City is having an outdoor space that is perched above, no one around, no neighbors. And it's not a balcony. Look at this terrace. It's absolutely incredible. Put your own plants out here. Put an irrigation system out here. Put an awning, a new awning that comes down. So if you're looking for a customized sponsor unit, not only with the sponsor units, you don't even have to go through the board when it comes to the renovations. Make it your own. Call me, Charles Botenstein from BPI. Have a great day.